Hey there fellow programmers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are seeing Ferris wheel problem from CSES problem set. In this problem we have given n children. They want to go Ferris wheel. Our task to find the gondola for each children. Each gondola has one or two children in it. In additional, total weight of gondola doesn't exceed x. You know the weight of every child. What is minimum numbers of gondola needed to for children? Suppose we have one gondola with two seats and the weight of gondola doesn't exceed uh, the weight of gondola always less than or equal to uh, given x. Okay, we'll take example 7239 and we have x tends to 10. Suppose we take 7 in a gondola. Now remaining are 10 minus 7 3. We will check any element present less than 3. Yes, we will take that element 3. That's when we remove 2 element. Now we will take one more gondola whose weight 2. Now we'll check 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. Any element present whose weight less than or 8? Not. That's when we need one more gondola. Now we will take 9. 9 here. That's when we will need a total elements 3. Like let's see how will we solve the problem using the coding approach. Suppose we will take 8 2 5 5 and 10. Now we have a x tends to 10. That's mean our capacity of gondola is 10. Now we'll firstly sort the array 2 5 5 8 and 10. Now we give index 0 1 2 3 and 4. Now we take index I tends to 0, j tends to n minus 1. That's mean 4. Now check 5 plus 10 is less than of x. 5 plus 10 less than of x, not sorry. Now we'll check 0 and 4 is less than of x, not. It is 12. That's mean it not less than x. We will take gondola for this. That's mean our gondola is 1. Now we'll check 2 plus 8 is less than of 10. Yes, so we'll take this 2 element in a second gondola. Now we'll check 5 plus 5 less than or equal to 10. Yes, now we'll take third gondola for it. Now I will code the solution. Firstly, I will take input n and x. Okay, now I will take children's. Okay, now we'll sort the children's weight array. Now I am take the count tends to 0. Okay, now we'll take I tends to 0, j tends to n minus 1. Okay, now we'll while loop I is less than or equal to j. Suppose if vi plus vj is less than or equal to x, that's mean we add both children at a single gondola plus j minus minus. Otherwise we will just add last element, last children's whose weight is maximum. This discuss part. see here how my code is working. Suppose I have children's weight 72954 and we have extends to 8 sorry we have extends to 9. Now firstly I sort the array 2 4 5 7 9. Now I'm checking I is here, j is here. Now we'll check I plus 2 plus 9 is less than of x. Not, that's mean just add a single element. Our count is 1. Now check 2 plus 7 less than of 9. Yes, less than or equal to, sorry, 2 2 plus 7 less than or equal to 9. Yes, that's when we take 2 element. Now our j is here, I is here, and our count is 2. Now we'll check 5 plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. Yes, then we will take both element. Our count is 3. Okay, that's mean our answer is 3. Now I am submit my code. Firstly I will change the value into long. Okay, because of the x is greater than 10⁵. We now submit it. Very good. Submit. Accepted. Check it, and thank you guys.